finally. It's been forever. Now we got no gas. Oh my god, we're about to run out. What's up guys, they watched another video. Pretty sketchy today because it's raining. These tires are about to be done. If you guys remember the last video, we did donuts in the canyons. I'll play the footage right here. After those donuts, I kind of burnt like most of the tires. They're kind of like bald. So it is kind of sketchy in the rain right now. I need to get new tires for this car. I stepped on it just a little bit and it literally feels like it's about to lose control. So pretty sketchy, and it's probably not the best idea to be vlogging while I'm driving, but I'm gonna try to make this quick. Today I'm in the E92 because I wanted to bring this today to take a picture with the car with what we're doing today. If you guys remember a couple videos ago, me and Manny went to go look at a couple shops. The reason why is because we want to get a shop together, me and Manny. We'll talk more about it when I meet up with Manny right now, but we're gonna head to the shop, get there, and talk to you guys about some good news that we got. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to share the news with you guys. Bro, it's really raining out here. This is probably nothing to some of you guys that live on the East Coast. But over here, there's never rain, which is kind of scary because a lot of people don't know how to drive in the rain because it never rains out here. So yeah, it's kind of scary. I'm scared for other drivers hitting me or something. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, this shit just spins in the rain. I also gotta give Manny his little Christmas gift. What do you guys think I got him? Looks like I'm about to propose to this fool, huh? I hope I make it to a gas station. 3 miles till I'm out. I hate the rain.
It gets wet, bro. All these clothes.
Bro, I got you something.
What is it?
I've been forgetting to give it to you. We've been hanging out, but I haven't given it to you.
You're proposing to me?
Yes. Christmas gift, bro.
Oh shit. Damn.
Hopefully you like it.
He told me he got everybody gift cards. Me too.
Bro, she has $75 at Starbucks.
No, he doesn't.
You got Starbucks for the whole year long, dude.
This guy. Oh yeah, it looks pretty fucking bright.
So different, bro.
It's a lot different, huh?
Bro, it looks bigger. Wow, bro, it looks so much better. Office is all done. They put a roof in. They built the wall. They put new carpet, painted on the walls, brand new. New carpet in here. Took out those ugly cabinets. This is all painted as well. He said they need to change out these lights still to those. But once we put those lights in here, it's gonna look so much better. There wasn't even a wall here at one point, but now there's a wall. And guys, this isn't even finished yet. This is just the progress that they've been making. They repainted the walls, like I said, put new flooring all over the office. The office looks way nicer than it did. Dude, I can't wait till we put our actual lighting in here, our actual flooring, big ass logo. Obviously, you guys see we're inside of a shop. This is actually the shop that you guys saw a couple videos ago that we came to look at. But we got some good news. The good news is we actually got approved for the shop and we actually signed for the shop. So this is like officially our shop.
This is officially our shop.
Pretty scary. I'm nervous, but it'll be pretty sick. Okay, so a lot of people were asking why are we getting a shop together. I see somebody comment that I can't even do an oil change on my own. Why am I getting a shop? So it's not that kind of shop. The reason why we are getting the shop. So like maybe a couple years ago, I've always had this idea of opening a vinyl wrap shop. The only problem is I'm missing a vinyl wrapper. I tried doing it like 2 years ago. Well, I thought about the idea 2 years ago. I didn't do it. But then, as you guys know, about a year ago, we met the homie Manny, and everything just kind of worked out. Manny, I'm not just saying this. Manny is literally one of the best people that wraps cars that I know. I'm not saying it because he's my homie, but I swear, bro, there's some pretty bad wrap shops out there. Some pretty wrap jobs out there. And Manny freaking kills it on every single car he does. The attention to detail, everything, bro. Like, he's really freaking good. Why you all shy, bro?
Me?
He's really good at wrapping cars. And he's the perfect person that I would want to partner up with and start a wrap shop. So as you guys know, Sig Wraps is kind of already a thing. He's been doing it out of his house and he wants to take it to the next level. So we thought of this crazy idea to partner up, make Sig Wraps a huge freaking business, hopefully one day.
The crazy thing about it is that I just pitched it to Nick. Like, I was rapping, you guys all saw it, everything is on footage, on camera. I literally just approached Nick. He wanted to get his car wrapped, the E46, and we just clicked. Like I said, we just clicked, and ever since then, you know, we just kind of threw it up in the air. We weren't really serious about it, but it just got to the point where it was just like, dude, we can actually really do this.
Exactly.
You know? Like,
and I think like both of us are good in our own ways, if that makes any sense. Manny's gonna be wrapping all the cars. He's a freaking beast at that. And I'm really good like the social media side of things, business side of things. So we put 2 and 2 together. I think we can make this freaking shop, Sick Wraps, we can make it huge. We can literally take over the game. I'm pretty excited. I've always wanted to do it, and I don't know, I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty nervous, but yeah, we are starting a wrap shop. I mean, the shop has already started. But I am finally part owner of Sick Wraps. We are both owners, and I'm freaking excited. I cannot wait to see what happens. I can't wait to see what next year holds, bro, like 2021. I think it's gonna be an insane year.
we got Huracan right here.
Huracan goals. I don't know, I think it's gonna be awesome for both of us. I can't wait to see what happens. I mean, this could be literally our like full-time career from here on now. Like,
It's gonna be
a lifetime like change.
Like, trying to create our own culture. We're trying to be the first Sick Wraps, you know, within a younger crowd, within all you guys, you know, all my, you know, support, and all the people who support me, all the people that support Nick. So yeah, guys, it should be pretty fun. We want to make it like a nice little hangout spot where you guys can just pull up, and if you guys want merch, you guys can pull up and, you know, grab some merch and, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, I mean, I don't think a lot of people know how young we really are, but
I know, dude, Manny's not even 21. He can't even buy his own drink yet, but he has his own shop, which is freaking insane, bro. Like, that's literally insane. No one does this at 20 years old, so I'm excited. I think it's gonna be insane. Like I said, we got the shop. This is our shop. I showed you guys in the first video, and it looks completely different now. It looks way better now. We already like balled out. We bought new lighting, new flooring, new everything, furniture, new TVs. Like, we did everything. This shop is gonna look insane. Of course, once it's all done and finalized and we're all moved in, we want to do like a grand opening or something. Have some of you guys come through, check out the shop in person. I think that'll be freaking awesome. And then, of course, get all you guys' cars wrapped. So, if you guys are not already, go follow Sick Wraps right now. We gotta get to 10K on Sick Wraps, bro, ASAP. And also, if you guys need any car wraps or anything like that, it doesn't even need to be a full wrap, just hood wraps, roof wraps, full car wraps, anything. Manny can do it.
Eventually, we're gonna start moving into PPF, to custom print.
Everything, bro.
Everything that we can do with vinyl, we're pretty much gonna do.
And I'm telling you, I don't trust nobody to wrap my car but Manny, I swear. So like I said, go follow Sick Wraps. Contact us if you guys need any wrap jobs. We should be opening about in a month. So starting like next month or so, or in 2 months actually maybe, we'll be lining everybody up in appointments and everything. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna show the progress of the shop here and there. Right now, this is just like the base, the paint and all that stuff. But we're gonna film the whole entire install, the flooring, whole entire install, the lights, the furniture, and just decorating it, moving in. So it should be pretty sick.
With the Swiss tracks.
Are you scared, bro?
My heart's beating right now just talking about it. Like, it's actually like crazy,
it's scary, guys. Opening a new business is kind of scary, especially like, I don't know, especially these times, yeah. But I think we can do it. Like, I know with all of you guys that support me, are gonna support Manny, are gonna support the shop. So I can't wait. And also, like, it just makes sense. We have a shop for wrapping, and also, bro, I can store my merch here, right?
Armor.
And we can store cars here, everything, bro. Like, it's literally just gonna work out for everybody, so I think it's gonna be awesome. Sick Wraps about to take over, bro. And this is our first location, dude.
I honestly, like, I don't know, Nick, I kind of believe it too, but Nick thinks we're gonna outgrow this within, like,
I think we're outgrowing this in 1 year, bro. And not even less than a year, bro.
As you guys know, I started vlogging too, and then this is my videographer, Tony. So you're gonna see a lot of behind the scenes. We're gonna have a lot of content. Every day you're gonna see Sick Wraps content, Nick content.
Exactly. Hopefully this brings me some more content too for you guys. So. New carpet, new flooring, a ceiling. Like, everything's brand new, bro. Look at the office. And they already painted all this too, but we haven't done the flooring.
It looks nice though, white walls. It looks really good. It's gonna look sick, bro.
They're gonna need that
Lean.
Look at this, guys. The car's in the shop.
I'm getting mine.
It looks sick with the car in here. Bro, I can't wait till we add our own lighting. This is not the lighting that's gonna be in here, guys. We're gonna put our own lighting and lighting on the walls. It's gonna be insane, watch. It's gonna be so bright. Manny said it's gonna look like you walked into heaven. Look how ugly this is. They're all leaking. Whoever could fix headlights, hit me up. I need this fixed. They're so ugly, bro. But yeah, look, we got the car in the shop. It looks insane. I think this color just looks so sick. But yeah, I just wanted to park my car in here now that we kind of officially have the shop.
Remember in the last video when I was talking about we're gonna have this there, this there, this there?
I know,
It's
dude.
already happened now.
I can't wait till it's all done though. Like, it looks nicer than it was, but guys, it's gonna look so sick when it's complete. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are excited as we are. I'm freaking excited. There's the shop. Here's the front. I haven't showed you guys the front yet, but next mission is to try to make it to a gas station. It's raining, it's cold, but I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Finally, guys, I have my own wrap shop. Me and my homie Manny doing it together, and I'm freaking excited. I think the two of us are gonna kill it. I can't wait. And like I said, I hope you guys are all ready for the journey, and hopefully you guys can all support the shop just as much as you guys support me. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And like I said, if you guys need any wrap jobs or any vinyl wrap needs done, hit us up on the Sick Wraps Instagram. Our first appointment should be the end of January or the beginning of February. Once the shop is all done and perfect. Sick Wraps, finally a vinyl wrap shop, another business of mine, and I'm freaking excited. Now we just gotta get to a gas station. I literally don't think I'm gonna make it. Look what it says, guys. Range. There's a line. There's not even a number anymore. Not even 0. It's just a line. A flat line. My car's about to die. We made it. Barely. But guys, I'm so excited. Like, I'm literally thinking about it on the way over here right now. Like, how awesome is it gonna be that we can wrap one of your guys' cars at our shop? Manny will literally be wrapping your guys' cars, and I'll be at the shop too. I think it'll be freaking awesome. I hate putting gas in this car. $61 to put gas in the E92 M3 for those of you asking. 61 bucks, bro. God damn. And that goes like in 2 days, literally. This car is so bad on gas.
A few moments later.
I look outside. Oh my God, bro. I don't know how we're gonna fit all of this. This is all the furniture and flooring for the shop. The FedEx truck literally had to just park right there in my driveway. Oh my God. That was a lot of shit. I'm freaking tired. Woo! How was the workout? Holy crap, bro. And here is all the flooring, all the Swiss tracks. Yeah, a little sneak peek.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.